My name's Arthur Orr. I'm in the Alabama State Senate. I just wanted to thank all the faculty and staff and administration here at CGC for the kind hospitality that we've received being here from Alabama. We had a good discussion in front of the student body today and discussed the importance of thinking internationally. And we would love to have Indian students, as they graduate, look at coming to Alabama to teach and perhaps get their master's degree while they're teaching. Then we'd like to send students from Alabama to India, to universities such as CGC.
I'm Dr. Renee Rogers from the University of West Alabama, and just wanted to bring you a brief greeting from Alabama. In our state, if a student has a degree already, they can work on their master's degree with us. We have a program called Learning, Design, and Technology, so it's a very marketable degree. So the experience here, we were greeted so warmly, and we were able to participate in a panel discussion. I've been most impressed with the beauty of the campus, the buildings, and the technology that we've seen has been so impressive. It's been a great experience.
I'm Eric Mackey, the State Superintendent of Education for the state of Alabama. So we've enjoyed our time here immensely at CGC. It's just wonderful to see the warmth of the campus and the students, the faculty, and how they're all engaged in their own learning, but also in helping one another. And we hope that some of these students will want to come to the United States. In Alabama and across the United States, we realize that we're coming ever more a global economy. So we need to understand each other, we need to work with one another, we need to study together and build relationships across borders. That's why we're here. We want to do that with Indian students.
My name is Ms. Sun Han, and I'm the Executive Director of ALIP, Alabama International Education and Economic Partnership. I'm so honored and visiting this CGC Landran. And this wonderful experience having to meet not only your administrators but students, and in the auditorium having the panel in front of the students, it was a really overwhelming experience. And what ALIP offers to you is one-stop shop to you as a part of student mobility, and not only students but faculty or whoever want to have an exchange. ALIP's mission is multilingual, multicultural diversity education.
I am Cressel Threadgill, Superintendent of Mobile County Public Schools, and my experience here has been wonderful. The people of India have shown us great hospitality, a warm welcome. But my mission here today is to make sure that we afford an opportunity for the students to have an opportunity to come to our school district to be teachers, because there's a need for math and science teachers. So we look forward to further discussions.